Good morning, children. Sairam. Children, today in this video, I will be explaining you about the first term internal assessment for English. Okay. Now, children, if you remember, in the May month, we had given you an assignment. Yes. Do you remember, children? We had asked you to write an assignment. Yes. Now children, let's have a look at the assignment once again. You were asked to write about homophones. Make sentences to bring out difference between where, here, there, cell. So you were asked to frame sentences to bring out the difference between the homophones. Also, the appreciation of the poem Where the Mind is Without Fear, okay, by Rabindranath Tagore. You have to write the appreciation in a paragraph format, okay, using the following points: title, poet's name, rhyme scheme, figures of speech, central idea, okay. All these points you have to take into consideration. Next was, the following homographs have the same spelling and pronunciation but can have different meanings. Make sentences of your own to show the difference. For example, care is used as a noun. My mother takes a lot of care of my family. Next, care is used as a verb. Care for your family. Similarly, children, for these words, that is homographs, firm, train, type, post, current, you have to frame sentences, okay. You have to show the difference. You have to show it as a noun, as a verb, because in different contexts the meaning changes, okay. So this you are asked to do in the month of May. So children, now it's time for submitting these assignments, okay. Whatever was given to you in the month of May, you have to submit that, children. Now remember, children, this assignment which was given in the month of May, you have to submit it on 21st of August, okay. It's on Friday, children. Now children, how you have to submit this assignment? You have to first of all be very careful that it should be handwritten, okay. You will not type in the computer and you will send it. You will not send that way. You have to write it neatly in your assignment paper or your project paper, okay. Then what you have to do, children, you have to scan that, convert into PDF, and you have to write your name, standard, division, and very important, you have to write your SID number. So you have to submit the assignment which was given in the month of May on 21st of August 2020. Remember, it's a Friday, children. How you have to submit? You have to submit in PDF format. You have to write your name, standard, division, and SID number. And most importantly, it should be handwritten, okay. Write it very neatly, okay. If you have not done, still you have time, children. You complete this assignment and you have to submit it on 21st of August. So this we had already given to you. Now the next assignments. Now children, writing skills assignment you have to do, children. Now remember, you have to submit this assignment on 12th August, okay, 2020 by 8 p.m. Again, children, it has to be done in a PDF format where you will be writing your name, standard, division, and SID number. Now let us see what are the topics for you. To write formal letter and interview writing. And when you have to submit, children, you have to submit it on 12th of August, okay, by 8 p.m. If you submit it after 8 p.m., it will not be considered, children. Okay, now let us see what are the topics for you. Formal letter and interview writing, what you have to do in that. Now for formal letter, children, this is an example, you have to write it, okay. You are Sudhir Iyer, staying at 32 Alankar Housing Society, Sadashivpet, Lokmanya Nagar, Pune, pin code. So these are the details given to you, children. You have to write this only, okay. Whatever is given, you have to write that only. Now this is a topic, children. You were a part of audience in a debate held in your school on technology, its effects on modern life. that was a debate which you had attended. You were a part of audience. Now this set you thinking how the youth of today misuses technology. So you have to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper on the dangers of such misuse and how it can be controlled. Now children, you have to write a formal letter, remember. So you should know the format, how you have to write the formal letter, okay. So this is address and all is already given, name is also given. So you have to use that only, don't write your name. Whatever is given in the question, children, that only you have to write, okay. Everything details are given and you have to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper wherein you will be talking about the dangers of such misuse of technology and how it can be controlled. So this is a formal letter for you children. Now next is interview writing. Now children, interview writing, you know, you have to just frame questions here children. Let us see what is the topic for interview. You have an environment protection week celebration in your school. You had invited an environmentalist. Write 10 questions you would ask him or her. So an environmentalist is invited in your school, okay, for the celebration of Environment Protection Week, and you have to ask 10 questions to him or her. You have to begin with a proper greeting and introduction before the interview questions and a proper conclusion at the end. Just don't start writing the questions. You have to greet the person and then you have to conclude it properly. You have to frame 8 to 10 questions you have to frame children. You have to ask questions, okay, and then you have to begin with a proper greeting and then you have to write proper conclusion at the end. So remember children, this formal letter and interview writing children, you have to submit it on 12th August, okay, again in the PDF format. Now next is orals. Now children, in orals you will be having elocution and the time limit is 3 minutes. Now children, this orals you will be recording a video, okay, and then you will be sending in the WhatsApp group. Topics are given children: the world of my dreams or the solar energy, the green way of life. Now children, this elocution you will be submitting in September, okay. We will be giving you the dates, instructions will come children. We will be giving you the dates by the time you start preparing for the elocution, okay. What is the topic children? The world of my dreams or solar energy, the green way of life. From this two you select any one of your choice, okay, and you have to make a video. So start preparing. We have given you the topics in advance children, so you have to start preparing. Now this will be collected in the month of September, okay. So there is time for that. You practice and then you have to make a video of it, okay. Now children, very important, you have to submit your writing skills assignment. That is, I had given you a formal letter and interview writing children, that you have to submit on 12th of August, okay, by 8 p.m. This is very important children. This you have to hurry up children. When you have to submit it on 12th August, okay. So this writing skill assignment, that is formal letter and interview, you have to submit on 12th August, okay. And how you will submit children? You have to convert it into PDF and mention your name, standard, division, SID number. Most important children, it should be handwritten. Again and again I am telling you, it should be handwritten. Write it very neatly, okay. Convert into PDF and then you will be giving in the groups, okay children. So I hope this is clear. You have to submit the writing skills on 12th of August by 8 p.m. and the assignment which was given in the month of May children, it has to be submitted on Friday 21st of August. Again you have to do in the PDF format, okay. These two you have to do in the PDF format, that is the writing skills assignment and the assignment which we had done in the month of May, okay. So these both are in the form of assignments. And orals, that is elocution, you will be making a video. We'll be asking you in the month of September, so you have time. You prepare nicely for that, okay. Nicely you prepare children and then we will be giving you the dates shortly, okay. So dates for elocution video submission will be informed shortly. Start working on the above mentioned and keep everything ready children, okay. You be ready with all your work and start working on all whatever I have informed you, okay. I hope you have understood what I have told children. Yes. So Thank you, my dear students. Please start working on it. Okay, nicely you write, submit it on time. Whatever dates are given, submit it on that date, and then you will get good marks, children. So work on it. Be ready. All the best. Thank you, my dear students.